just bought our tickets to go to the Mysome Sanctuary. This is something we're really looking forward to, so yeah, can't wait to see it. Yeah, I'm just so excited for this. Like, I've been awake since about 5, which is like the latest I've slept for a few days. But yeah, I'm just so excited. It's so cool here. I'm just expecting King Louie and his tribe and to run out, or Mowgli and Baloo. Impressive. So many bricks and so old. This place is just unreal. This is just one of the ancient buildings, and there's carvings inside the brick, and they're either like dragons or some sort of gargoyles. Amazing. So this ruin behind us, it was constructed in the early 9th century, and then during 1969, during the war, that's when it was sort of
partly destroyed.
Yeah, partly destroyed, but it's amazing. Just walking to the next cluster of ruins now. We've been here 40 minutes already. Like, time flies when you're having fun. So excited for this next cluster of ruins. It just looks amazing from where I am at the minute. Oh, it really does look like something like the Jungle Book. This cluster of ruins, they started being developed in the 7th to 13th century. That's how old some of these are. I just can't get enough of them. I know I keep saying it's amazing, but it really is amazing. I mean, there's just dragonflies flying everywhere around us, and like that view, it's just really surreal. Never seen anything so old. Started raining, and we've got so many nice photos. We've been able to take it in. It's just been lovely. Look at that rain now. We're so lucky.
Yeah, so the photos don't really do it justice. Like, I've seen a lot of photos and stuff when we was planning the trip, but it's a lot different in real life, and the backdrop, the scenery just makes it. That was well worth the trip.
Yeah, it was definitely well worth the trip. It was something that I really wanted to come and do. Just because I've seen the photos and it just looked like something from the Jungle Book. But yeah, I definitely want to go there. And sometimes when you build yourself up to something, you think, oh, is it going to be a disappointment? It was not a disappointment at all. The detail was amazing. Just, it was so ancient and old. Absolutely incredible.
Definitely a kudos from Hannah.
Definitely.